right, so we have intervals for you today. So it's going to be 35 on, 12 off, 35 on for A and B. So you're going to go A, B, A, B, A, B. You're going to actually, instead of an interval today, we're going to do A and B 4 times each side. I mean, well, each 4 times around. So it'll be, this one will be 4 on the right, 4 on the left. So we're going to go like this. Okay, so for my A, it's a power oblique on the cable. You can lean like this. This is way too heavy. All right, so you can lean, okay, and pull like this with power oblique. You can also do it standing and raise it all the way up, okay? You don't want to come across the body, you want to be overhead. Or you can do it just standing, all right, just like that. So power oblique 35 on the right, 35 on the left, and then you're going to do that 4 times. And then we switch, but it's one and done. Next one is a curved plank pull in and then a crunch. So curved plank pull in looks like this. You can put your hands on the ball like this and you roll your feet in, step back, back, in. You can certainly flip this around. We can also have a plyo box here. And if you don't like doing the curved plank pull in, when we have the plyo box, or you can even just go off the edge of your curve, you could do your spiders. Okay, so you can do spiders or the plank pull in. And your B exercise is going to be sitting on the Bosu ball, tucking your feet under, and giving me crunches. Okay, you can either put your hands here, or you put your hands behind your head. The farther back you go and up, that's going to be more lower abs. If you stay up here, you're going to be more upper abs. So you get to play every time you go back to that B on how you want to do those crunches. All right, so that's that A and B. This here is shelf abs with ring and body folds with ring. So what that means is when you do your shelf abs, the ring is going to go here by your knees, okay? You put your feet on up here, like this. So every time I come up, I'm squeezing that ring, okay? And I'm going to come get it. You can use a bigger ball if you would like. You can even use a stability ball, because now my legs are forced apart. So that stability ball can balance up here on top of the ring if you want it to. Okay, so it's the up and down, and it's working on squeezing the ring. And the body folds with ring would be, you just scoot the ring here, okay? And you squeeze as you do a body fold and lift. If you need to back away, you can back away, but you certainly can do it over your tire, just like this. And it'll give you enough range of motion, hurt your low back, just pull them in. Okay, so those are your 3 ab stations, 4 in a row. Then you're going to come over to legs. Inner thigh, side leading lunge, and pulse. So 2 on the right, I should say 4 on the right, 4 on the left. So what's going to happen is I'm going to lean in and push off. So I'm leaning in here, really stretching this and pushing away. So my weight, I'm not ever locking out, I'm always kind of leaning into this side here. So I'm going to go 35 here, and then I'm going to pulse it, okay? And then when I beat 35 again, I'm going to go again. So round 1 is all going to be right side, and then I'm going to pulse it. Then you're going to go to the left side. So it's 2 in a row right, 2 in a row left, and you go back and forth. But there's no rest, so you are working on your off. All right, next. Lying side leg lift. All right, I forgot to lay out my mat, but we'll have a big mat here. And if you don't like to lay down, I'll show you the modification, but pretend I have my mat. We haven't done these in a really long time. You're gonna pike your bottom foot back. You're gonna put the dumbbell down toward the knee, not up here, it's too easy. From here, I'm going to point my toe down, and I'm going to lift. You're gonna spend half of the station on this side first. Then you're going to switch to the other side. So you're not going to go A, B, A, B, A, B. You're going to go A, then B, 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 B. Okay, so here, and then when it beats for the 12 seconds, you're going to pulse for the 12. It's going to beat, then you're going to go singles. Then you're going to go pulse. Hopefully you can keep going. If not, maybe you could switch sides if it gets too intense without that rest. Okay? And then if you don't like to lay down, you could put the rubber band on your legs and do side leg lift, side pull standing. If you get bored of the floor, maybe you do half on the floor, half up top, up to you. And the last one, this is called gladiator deadlift. All right, so let's take 2, we're gonna find our here, let's take 2 kettlebells, okay? You do it with dumbbells too. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put one down. I'm sorry, it's pick up, sorry. All right, so we're gonna pick up, deadlift down. Okay, that's 1. Now you get the count, pick up, and then down. All right, so that's your gladiator leg. So pick it off the floor, cross, pick it off the floor, and put it down. That's your A. Your B is just a pulse squat. You can pick one of them, and you can pulse squat right here. You can also do something like this, where you step in, 1, 2, step in, 1, 2. So you can play around a little bit, but that's all that is. And that's your 6 stations.